Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Jotform not sending emails in 2026. If your form submissions are working, but you're not receiving notification emails, this guide will help you solve the problem step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Jotform account. Next, open the form that's having the email issue from your dashboard. Now go to the Settings tab and select Emails to review your notification settings. Next, make sure your notification email is enabled and the recipient email address is entered correctly. Now double-check that there are no typing mistakes in the recipient email address. Next, submit a test response through your form to see if the email is generated successfully. Now check your spam, junk, and promotions folders in case the notification email was filtered. Next, review any email filters or forwarding rules that may be blocking Jotform notifications. Now, if you're using a custom email address, verify that your email service is working properly and that the mailbox has available storage. Finally, save any changes, test the form again, and if the issue continues, contact Jotform support with your form details for further assistance. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Jotform not sending emails. Your form notifications should now be delivered correctly. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.